Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator with Stampin' Up! I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're using the Hobby Haven suite to create these fun fold cards. It goes like this and opens and it actually can stand. So I did 2 of the books and 2 of the yarn sewing ones too. And today we're going to use the baking DSP for the example. And I think there's one more DSP. It's gardening. So that one's a lovely one too. We'll start with a card base 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 2 1/8, 4 1/4, 6 3/8. A strip that is 1.5 by 8, scored at 2, 3, 5, and 6. The front piece of cardstock is 4 by 2 3/4. 2 of the cardstock panels, 2 by 5 3/8, and then 4 pieces of the DSP measuring 1 7/8 by 5 1/4. They're actually the same. These are just the B side of the DSP. You can pause now if you want to see the measurements. Take those away. Let's start with folding the card into a W. So this way, this way. So it looks like that. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and fold this mechanism, folding it in the middle here and then out. Not quite a W, maybe a kind of an M, because we have to adhere these on here and here, so it doesn't open completely flat. That's the part that's actually going to stand up. So I'll show you how to do that, because you want to do that first. Stampin' CLT for top. So I go ahead and put some adhesive here, and just only on the first panel. Yeah, but you want to line it up, the folds, and center it here. Like that. And then the easy part is you can always fold it over. Fold it. Let me see what the best way to do it. Match the edges. And there. And that's the mechanism. There. So then we're going to mount the color side onto the cardstock. Just a really thin border here. Let's see if I can get these lined up. Do the repeat. And this one. I think I may have cut them the same size, but that's okay. And these are going to go on the outside. So make sure directional wise. Alright. And then the other ones, I guess I should have done the middle ones before this, before the mechanism, but I wanted to show you the mechanism. Oh, and I like the pictures on the other side too. The eggs are cute. So that goes here. Oops. And that goes here. Direction doesn't matter there. Alright, and then I went ahead and pre-stamped the You Got This in Calypso Coral to match. One in the middle so it doesn't buckle or bow. I guess it doesn't really buckle. Whoops. And that will go on this piece of cardstock. And then adhesive just on the middle panel. And you want to close it. See, like that. And then you want to be able to center it. So it's a little off. I can see it, but as long as I put this one straight, I think we'll be okay. Alright, so there you got this. Friends like you are golden. And you're the best. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, and share with a friend that likes video tutorials for cards. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.